Bakit ah? Spiral. First base. Okay.
Hello, welcome to my vlog. You guys, welcome to vlog. Okay guys, so guys, my name is Kuya Arnold. Welcome to the Arnold Vlog. Okay, continue just call me David.
Baby.
Call me David. Of course, you know,
Daddy.
ang number is guys, please remember your vlog. You did not visit the Secret Lagoon without kayak. Because the kayak is not already standby to the island. It's only here on the Ludwig area. For example, already been to El Nido. El Nido is nice because me, Kuya Arnold, have already gone to El Nido almost 3 years. Back to Ron, it's a paradise. Dahil first thing bago, your dream as mine. O your dream capture. Totoo po, ang El Nido po ay maganda. But for me, the base for Ron is a paradise. Because the cleanest water along Asia is competing to Red Rock. And the exciting destination is competing also here in Red Rock. The exciting destination is competing inside of Green Lagoon. Because why? Because inside of Green Lagoon we have a tunnel. And the tunnel to be guys is open. So that one, all the guys coming about the kayak. Because if you want to decide later, the kayak is not already standby to the island, it's already here on the Lubog area. Because sometimes the other tourists, she's beside the island, she's green lang out. Well, you not go for the kayak here on the Lubog area. Okay? So guys, wala sa mga. Nakikita ko.
Nagtagalog ka na.
So guys, kami sir, if you want to rent a kayak, just tell it to my partner, okay? Because the kayak is a very important about your first visit. Okay? Hindi niyo po maiikot yung Green Lagoon. You did not see rock formation inside of Green Lagoon without kayak po. Okay? So,
You can start kayak here, and then also the middle, in the corner, there's a tunnel, ma'am. There's a tunnel, ma'am, ha? You can go under the tunnel, and then you pass. And then, you see, because there are another lagoon, there's another entrance. So you pass the entrance and go, and then you can go on the left side. Don't go on the right side, ha? Because if you go the right side, you can go to China. So left side only, ha? And then also, you can go around like that. And again, did you still remember the entrance there before we coming in? And then you pass, you come out there.
So we're over there right now. So tayo.
Dito po tayo. Yes. So, pag ganyan lang po tayo, sir. Start po tayo dito. So, kayak po tayo. And then, makikita nyo kung may isang entrance doon. Labas po kayo doon. Tapos, pwede nyo pong ikutin pa ganyan. Ha? Yan, pasok po tayo.
Sa left?
Yes po. Left lang po. Ano po, start po kayo dito. Left lang po tayo, ha?
Pero meron naman kami mga susunod din na marami, no?
Wala. Oh, marami naman po kayo makikita. Oh, kayak, ha? Let's go, mga boss. Salam. Senior po.
Pahingay mo na maayos pala.
Ma'am.
Palampas mo dito sa side.
Yan, lampas pa. Sige pa.
Lampas pa, ma'am.
Yan,
Sige pa, ma'am. Ilagay yung ulo nyo sa mismo may bukas. Nasa hayat din.
Wait.
Ma'am, babaan niyo yung kamay niya. Hindi niyo buya. Ayun pa, tol. Pakisalo na yan. Diretso na tayo. Kasi pa, huwag ka mag-alala.
Don't touch. Anything on the top, ha?
Okay, just lay down your head. Yun, nagsasagwa.
Oh, sige, video ko nagsasagwan. Sige, kayo lang. Suot kayo sa kanya. Okay, yan, maganda yan. Sige, diretso lang. Diretso lang. Ito, sa kabila. Kaya na, ma'am. Napagod na.
Thank you.
Hawak, ma'am. Pagkakabit mo, ma'am.
Okay, Nip. Pinatay mo na? Papakita ko. We are the best. This one, this guys, and this also. Tumaob kami. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Dun. Okay, bye.
Huwag tayo pumunta maalon.
Ay, alam mo, Kapitan? Ito si ano, hindi alam eh.
Nagawa dyan.
Grace! Grace, say hi, Mamita! Say hi, Mamita! Hi, Jaja!
Hello. Ano, ganda dito, no?
Yeah.
Hi, Vita.
Hi, Mita! Oh my God, thank you, Jesus. Protect us.